Alright, I'm going to do a lope through on Jiggy, but with speed he tries to cut off your pockets going into the turns. He anticipates and starts to turn too soon, so I'm going to really use a lot of inside leg and make him stay honest with his pocket going in and not turn to the back side. But his left turns are really bad. He tries to slice them going in and blow out of them wide. So I'm going to go in and do a circle drill around the barrels at a lope and make him keep a perfect circle around the barrels and not be scoopy. Why you want him in a chain or a straight bar bit or a tie down, because he just gets bracier when he goes faster. All that lateral softness that you have when you go slow is gone when he gets on the barrel pattern above a lope. So I had to use a lot of inside hand and leg bumping and keep him soft, and I made him go around the barrels till his brain checked back in instead of just acting silly and stiff and bracy. So that's a drill we're going to keep up with, along with face flexing and whoa. Just keep working on shoulder, ribs, staying soft at a lope around the barrels and maintaining fluidity and one fluid motion around the barrel. Not all this stop, start, charge, hurry in, dive in. No, he's just not consistent slow, so how would he be consistent fast? So anyhow, we're going to work on the holes in his foundation, and we're going to work on the holes in his pattern. Thank you. Whoa.